So I'll tell you guys something every HVAC rep needs to hear. Discounting does not build trust. It destroys it. Because the second you drop the price without a reason, the homeowner stops thinking, all right, this guy's helping me out. They start thinking, how much were they going to rip me off 5 minutes ago? And you just created doubt in the worst possible place. Not in the equipment, not in the company, but in you. So a closer doesn't throw out discounts randomly. A closer earns the right to offer strategic discount after the full process has been delivered. And when they do, it is calculated. It's tied to a reason. And that is the only way to close without pressure. So if you guys want the exact discount framework that's closed over 100 million residential HVAC, comment down ebook. I'll send you guys that free ebook with exact tactics.